Hey Dad, the weatherman said it's going to be snow. Yippee, snow! Oh my gosh, it's a nor'easter.
Stella, go to your place. Down. Stay. Good stay. I'll put my boots on.
Hurry up, Dad.
Okay.
Let's go out, let's go out. We have to do our chores first. We have to bring up the firewood. Let's go, it's time to play. Oh, that's cold. Oops, deeper than I thought. Hey, who's that good-looking guy? Really like your nose. Maybe I can trade for Iditarod. Let's go! Maybe not. Are you okay? It was a long day. I'll just take a nap. Oh my gosh, it's a nor'easter.